matter your age or fitness level, practicing yoga will help increase your energy, strength, balance, and sense of well-being. Yoga is particularly important for older adults because it can help prevent falls. Hi, I'm Lucy Gerland, Certified Yoga Instructor. We hope you'll follow along with us in today's practice. We will remain seated throughout the program. All you need to join us is a sturdy chair that won't move. We will flow through moves that we hope you'll find energizing and relaxing. Remember, always work at your own pace. Please check with a doctor before beginning this or any exercise program. In today's practice, we're going to work head to toe, lengthening, strengthening, building flexibility and stability in the body with some simple poses that you can do every day. Practicing with us today are Louise and Ghanem. So join us, please, sitting toward the front of your chair with your feet planted firmly on the floor, spine long, crown of the head towards sky. Begin slowly and always work at your own pace. We begin with the breath, getting centered here. Nice slow inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Continuing to inhale through the nose, deep into the belly, and exhale through the nose. Inhale once more and exhale. Deepening the breath some more, arms out to the side. Exhale and inhale. Draw the arms up and overhead, upward salute. Turn the palms out, release and exhale. Inhale, sweep the arms up and exhale. Inhale again. This time hold the arms up and without moving the shoulders, lift the fingertips closer towards sky. Lengthen through both sides of the body. Keep the hips firmly in your seat. Turn the palms out, release and exhale. Very nice. Moving to a side stretch now. Just do this to a point where it feels safe for you. Having the left hand holding onto the side of your chair, lift the right arm up. Tilting over to the left gently and come back up. And over to the left. And up, creating length in that side. Let's tilt back over to the left now and hold. Send the breath into the right side body. Inhale up and release the arm. Left arm comes up, lengthen. Right hand is on the chair for stability and lean over toward the right, lengthening through that side body and up. Back over toward the right and up. And coming to the right again, not collapsing into this hand, it's just there for stability. Hold. Lengthen through your left side body and release up. Bring the arm down. Let's take that one more time. Right arm up, leaning over to the left, and this time maybe bringing the right shoulder back with heart towards sky, gaze towards sky. This is optional here if you feel comfortable doing this. Coming back forward, arm up and release. Left arm up, flow right into it, over to the right, Maybe drawing that left shoulder back, heart towards sky, gaze towards sky. And release forward, bringing the left arm down. Sit up nice and tall. Let's put some length in the neck. Gently chin to chest, right ear to right shoulder. Chin comes back to chest, left ear to left shoulder. Chin to chest. Keep going. Always work very gently through the neck. Chin to chest, left ear to left shoulder. Chin to chest now. Take the right ear to the right shoulder and hold. If you want to go for a little more length in the left side of the neck, take your left arm out to the side. Inhale and exhale. Now bring that hand back to the thigh, chin to chest, left ear to left shoulder. Again, option, take the right arm out to the side, fingers to the floor. A little more length in the neck here, only if it feels comfortable to you. Bringing the hand back to the thigh, roll chin to chest, hold, and sit up nice and tall. Loosening up the spine with some side-to-side twists. Take the arms out to the side, sit up tall, and we flow gently from side to side. Getting some nice rotation in the spine. Start out nice and slow. Give your body a chance to warm up. Just flowing back and forth at a pace that feels good to you. Slowing that movement down now, replacing hands on thighs. Lengthen the spine nice and long. Going for a twist now. Bring your right hand to the upper right thigh outside of your hip. Take your left hand across your right thigh to the outside of that right leg. Lengthen the spine as you inhale, and then as you exhale, start twisting the upper body toward the right. Keep the hips firmly in the chair, even side to side. Now gently release back forward. The left hand comes to the left hip. The right hand comes to the outside of the left leg. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, twist. Keeping that spine flexible, youthful. Inhale and exhale. Gently release. Sit up nice and tall. We're going to come back over to the right. Sit up tall, twist over to the right. And this time, if the neck allows, maybe looking a little bit over that right shoulder, deepening the twist a little here. And gently release forward. Moving back to the left, left hand to hip. Right hand to the outside of the leg, sit up tall. As you exhale, twist to the left, checking in with the neck, possibly looking over that left shoulder a little bit. Inhale, exhale, and release forward. Good, let's loosen up the shoulders now, rolling them back a few times. And forward a few times. Getting some nice rotation in the shoulders. And now getting some length in between the shoulder blades at the back of the spine. Bring the arms out, bend at the elbows. Palms face forward, inhale, and as you exhale, draw the forearms together in front of you. Now, if the forearms don't want to come all the way together, just draw the palms together. Let the elbows stay out. Good. Inhale back. And exhale forward. Your best expression of this pose. Inhale back. And exhale forward. Now inhale back. Straighten the arms out. Exhale the arms forward, cross one elbow under the other. Good. Breathe way into the back, in between the shoulder blades. Take the arms out wide now. Cross the opposite arm under, crossing at the elbows. Inhale and exhale. Open the arms. And release your hands down to your side. Doing cats and cows now to build flexibility in the spine. Sit up nice and tall, feet to the floor. You're at the front of your chair. Inhale and exhale. So holding on to the sides of the chair for stability. As you inhale, arch the back, draw the heart forward, look gently up towards sky, not too much. And rolling the spine, rounding into a cat. The head is looking toward the floor here. Now rolling back into that sway back of the cow with the heart shining forward as you inhale. The head moves last in all of these poses. Round the spine, rounded back of the cat. Inhale back into cow. Feel each vertebra of the spine moving as you do this. Round forward, and now hold here, just enjoying this lengthening through the back of the spine. Inhale and exhale. Keep your breath flowing all through our practice. And gently release and sit up. Moving to a forward fold now. Only go as far as you feel safe and comfortable. Sitting up nice and tall, hands are on your thighs. And as you exhale, start walking the hands down the legs to any point where you feel comfortable. The hips stay on the chair. When you've reached your deepest point, allow the head to drop forward, using the weight of the head to help lengthen the spine. Now slowly walk the hands back up the legs. Inhale and exhale. And when you're ready, walk the hands back down the legs, coming back into that forward fold. Inhale and exhale. Your hands might be in the same place they were last time. You might have found a little more length this time. Inhale up, walk the hands back up the legs. And again, as you're ready, forward fold, walking the hands down the legs. Some people's hands will come to the floor here. Inhale and exhale. Allow the head to help lengthen the spine. Walk the hands back up the legs. Sit up tall, inhale and exhale. Okay, now if you were comfortable doing that, we're going to try bringing the hands together under the legs in this forward fold. Okay, if it makes you feel more stable, you can keep doing the version we were just doing. Okay, inhale, and as you exhale, bring the hands together under the thighs. Clasp the hands here and allow the head to drop forward. Inhale and exhale. So deepening the forward fold a little bit this way. Inhale and exhale. Now release the hands. Come gently back up to seated. Moving to balance work now, helping with our balance work, helping us avoid any slips and falls and stay stable. Take the right foot to the toes, please. Now hold on to the side of the chair. Lift the right leg any amount, the toes off the floor, and release. Okay, take the leg back up now, and we're going to add the left arm. So concentrate on keeping both hip bones in the chair. Lift through the left side body, fingertips towards sky. Release the right leg and the left arm. Take the left foot to the toes, lift it a little bit, and release. Now lift the left leg back up with the toes pointed, and the right arm comes up. Remember, stay centered here. This is our balance. The left hand is here for a little stability. Inhale and exhale and release. Okay, now we're going to try same leg, same arm. So lifting the right leg and lifting the right arm. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, release. Lifting the left leg and the left arm. Beautiful. Reach up. And release. Remember, this is your practice, so feel free to rest at any point where you feel like a little rest is needed. Let's stretch through the back of the hamstrings now. So take the right foot out in front. The heel is to the floor, the toes are pointed up. Both hands to the left thigh and gently fold forward. Start to feel a stretch in the back of your leg. Only go as far as you feel comfortable here. Inhale and exhale. The neck stays in line with the spine, so the head is not dropping here. And gently lift up. Hold. You can keep that leg out, and we're going to come forward again. Nice. Breathe into that right hamstring as you inhale and exhale. And gently sit up. Take the right foot back to the floor. Take the left foot forward. Inhale, sit up, fold forward. Lengthening the left hamstring now, helping to keep us walking nice and smooth. Sit up nice and tall. Release up, and as you exhale, fold back forward. And gently inhale up, bring the left foot down. Okay, now let's take that right leg up. Hold on to it. Bring the hands to either side of the leg. Draw the knee toward the chest. Okay, this is going to help strengthen the core, massage the internal digestive organs, and gently release that leg. Take the left leg up, hands around either side of the left leg. Sit up nice and tall. Draw the knee in. Inhale and exhale. And release. Now let's bring that leg back up and give those hard-working ankles a little bit of exercise. Rotating one direction, then the other. Point and flex the toes. Sit up nice and tall, keep breathing, and release. Now lift the left leg, working that left ankle, circling in one direction and in the opposite direction. And pause, and then point and flex. Good. Keep the spine nice and long here too. Breath is flowing. And release the left leg down. Shake the legs out a little bit, tap the feet. Let's loosen up those hips. So let's take that right leg back in both hands, draw it up. Keep the knee bent and just make some circles with the hip in one direction. Pause at center and go in the opposite direction with your hip circles. Pause and release the right leg to the floor. Lift the left leg, hands on either side of the leg, circle out in one direction. So you can make these circles any size that your hip is happy with. Pause at center and move the hip circles in the opposite direction. Pause and bring the left leg down. Sit up nice and tall now. Inhale and exhale. Let's take that right leg back out for a moment. Heel to the floor, toes to the ceiling. Sit up nice and tall. Now press the toes down toward the floor, getting some length in the front of the shin. Inhale the toes back up. Press the toes toward the floor. One more time. Inhale the toes back up. Press toward the floor. Hold. Gently release. Bring the right leg back in. We'll do that on the left. Heel to the floor, toes toward the ceiling, and gently press the toes toward the floor. And lift, and toes to floor, and lift. One more time, toes to floor, and lift, and bring the left leg back in. Shake everything out. All right, we're almost done with today's practice. Let's give those wrists a little flexibility here. Take the arms out forward and circle the wrists around. One direction, then pause, opposite direction. Pause with the fingers out toward front. Spread the fingers wide. Bring them back together. Spread them wide again. Bring them back together and bring the hands back to the lap. Inhale and exhale. Now we're going to do a nice, deep, fun breath called lion's breath. It can look a little silly, but it's excellent for the face. So we will start out by scrunching up the face, and then as you exhale, you're going to make a big roaring lion sound, opening the eyes wide and sticking the tongue out. Ready, everybody? Scrunch up the face. Inhale and exhale. Ha! Inhale again. Let's do that again. Inhale and ha! And release. Now feel how happy your face is, nice and tingly. Okay, lift the right corner of your mouth and then the left corner of your mouth. A very important smile pose here. Sit up nice and tall. And now preparing for final relaxation. Gently moving back in your chair. Now the back can come to rest along the back of the chair. Hands are gently to the thighs. If you feel comfortable, you can begin to close your eyes or just let the lids be heavy. Take your mind around the body. Feel all the parts that we worked and see how they feel now. More open, more flexible, stronger, happier. Let the breath be soft now. In final relaxation, we absorb the benefits of the hard work that you just did. Inhale and exhale. The breath is soft. The heart is soft. The mind is soft. Just breathe. Begin to invite a deeper breath. Start to bring movement back to the body, wiggling fingers and toes. Gently blinking the eyes open. Hands to heart center now. Bow your head to your own good heart, your bright spirit, thanking and honoring your body for the great work it did in today's practice. It's been my honor to be your guide through this practice. In yoga, we say namaste. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.
Do you know how much it would cost to replace everything you own if there was a fire, water damage, or other catastrophe in the apartment, townhome, or house you rent? Can you afford to pay the medical or legal expenses if someone is injured or if there's an accident? Recovering from an unexpected event is expensive and stressful. Get the protection you need with renter's insurance. For less than the price of a large pizza every month, you can get the safety net you need for when the unexpected happens. Get details by calling the Virginia Bureau of Insurance, visiting the State Corporation Commission website, or by calling Fairfax County Consumer Affairs.
From Centerville to Richmond Highway, Reston to Springfield, Fairfax County Rental Program homes meet the needs of residents. The road to finding a place to call home could be only a click or phone call away.
For all the people out there that are afraid, they don't know what to do, my suggestion is to go on fairfaxcounty.gov. Look under housing. Just call the first number that they find. Just be open and real. Tell them what the problem is. They will help you. I've never met anyone throughout all my difficult period that wasn't ready or willing to help with a smile on their face.
For more information on the Fairfax County Rental Program or additional properties that the rental program offers, please visit fairfaxcounty.gov/RHA or call 703-246-5100, TTY 703-385-3578.
Everyone has the right to fair housing, the right to live where one chooses without fear of discrimination. Everyone should have equal access to rental housing and home ownership opportunities. The Fairfax County Human Rights Commission strives to ensure that individuals and families are treated fairly and without intentional or unintentional bias. Fairfax County laws prohibit discrimination in housing based on the protected classes of race, color, national origin, religion, sex, disability, familial status, which includes